All right, guys. So we want to look at the logos, right? So how you can design a logo, or you can actually pick a logo from the template and modify it to your own logo, right? Okay, so now for you to get the logo, when you open your Canva, just the way you have seen it right here, go to where you have this search templates. But before that, your make sure that this is selected, template is selected. If it is on your designs, switch it to templates, right? So you can see now template is active. So when you are here, tap on the search templates, then type in logos. So just search. So you have various designs like logos. So just scroll down and you see different logos. But you can make it specific, like you can say bakery logos. So you can just put bakery logos, for example, or you can say fashion logos, right? So let's just go with fashion logos. So with these, you will see logos that are for fashion, right? So you can just click any one of your choice, make we change the colors and do modification. The reason you must modify the logo is because if you are just using this logo direct the way it is, you might likely use a logo that someone has used already. I don't know whether I understand the point. So anyhow, make sure you modify it. You can change the colors to your own brand color, and you can change the position of some maybe shapes, icons to another position so that you can achieve something unique. Understand? And you can even replace some icons or symbols or objects on the logo. So let's say, for example, you are good with, let me just pick anyone here. So maybe you are good with this one. Keep going. Maybe you are good with this one. I'm just saying, for example. So you can see when you touch on any of these icon, you can literally change the color. So just go to your toolbar, you drag to where you have color, so you can change the color. All right, you can change the color to any color of your choice. I can put yellow there, and the same thing can happen to all the shapes there. You can put yellow again, right? So basically you can change everything on this particular logo, and you can even replace, you can delete, or you can off some of it. So me, I can do modification, I can off some of these shapes. I can change this one to something else, or I can do like this, then I can even remove this. So you can at least modify it so that it will appear unique. That's the essence of me taking time to like remove some of those things. And I can also change the font. So if I click a text, I'll go to the font on the toolbar, so I can change it, like touch the arrow, then I can change it to any other thing, like, right? So I'm trying to get something different from what was actually there. That is the essence of you modifying, because if you don't modify it, you might likely have someone else's logo as your own brand, and that can lead to some legal, kind of issues, right? So that being said, guys, that is how you can actually work on already made or a kind of template to get your own logo, right?